What's going on, everybody? And today we're going to use two headlight restoration kits head to head. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to D's Rides, the car channel about vlogs, how-tos, and car reviews. And today we're going to go head to head with two different products for headlight restoration kits. That is going to be Meguiar's and Mother's. So I'm sure everybody here is very familiar with Meguiar's as well as Mother's. Each of them has a complete line of car care products, and so today we're going to end up putting those two products in a head-to-head competition for their headlight restoration kits. And so everybody, I am sure, has seen cars that roll around and their headlights just look very yellow and just doesn't look good at all. Well, today we're gonna end up doing my daily driver. These particular headlights, they're pretty bad. So I thought I'd give myself an opportunity to do a review on each of those while doing a head-to-head, because one of them may work better than the other. And so I really want to know this so then I can relay that back to you guys and give you guys an honest assessment of which one works best. Let me give you a quick look at my headlights. And so as you can see there, those headlights are looking nasty, looking pretty gnarly, and this one as well. So what's going to happen is on one headlight I am going to use the Meguiar's product, and on the other headlight I am going to do the Mother's product. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Now everybody, the first thing we're going to want to do, we're going to want to clean off the headlight to make sure that there's not any debris or just any loose dirt or anything like that. So just got some of your regular Windex. Now, to make sure that I am protecting the paint and other plastic pieces, I'm going to go ahead and use some masking tape. So the next step that we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up using the sanding pad, and what that does is removes the oxidation, yellowing, and scratching. So we're going to use the buffing and sanding pad. Here you got the 1000, not sure if you see it, 1000 grit. And so we're just going to end up putting this on there, and there you go. Now what you can do with this is you can either use a bucket with some water in there, or you can use some type of spray bottle and spray the actual lens. You want to have that side to side motion, making sure you're overlapping. So got my bucket of water right here. Like I said, using that continuous side-to-side motion. All right, so once I'm done with that, take me a microfiber towel. Wipe, and as you can see, it looks evenly frosted across the entire headlight. So now what you're going to do, you're going to end up taking the 3000 grit pad And what you're gonna do this time is you're gonna go in an up and down motion. So 1000 grip pad, you're going in a side to side motion. With the 3000, you're going in an up and down motion. So we just got done with going up and down. So we're wiping this, and you can already tell the difference. All right, we're gonna end up using the pad, and we're gonna end up using the plastics. There we go, the plastics solution. All right, so now you're ready to use this. So what you're gonna do is you're going to put a nickel size dot on here. It's about a nickel. Then you're going to press flat up against the surface. You don't need to go very hard. You can just do nice even motions across the headlights. So we're going to bam. Now, by no means some type of professional like this. Can definitely tell a difference. So the last and final step to this is using the headlight coating with this particular pad right here. So here we go. Overlapping strokes. Get that, restoring back that clarity. Meguiar headlight side. All right, everybody, so this particular one is, we're gonna use the Mother's new lens headlight renewal kit. So this one is more drill intensive. As you can see, you are using pads that is supplied with it. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to affix the 800 onto the pad. And then once again, I've already prepped this space. I already have the tape, as you can see. I already have cleaned the headlight. So we're just gonna go ahead and start doing the sanding. And once again, you're gonna wanna keep this lubricated as well. All right, everybody, so had to improvise now. So since the battery ran out of the drill, I'm just gonna end up using the same 800 grit paper, sandpaper, and then just do what I did before. So once again, you want to make sure that everything is evenly frosted. And as you can see, that is the case, most of it. All right, now we're going to end up switching to the 1500 grit sanding pad. And then as we did before, now we're going to go in a side-to-side motion with this one. So once again, taking this off, getting up in these corners, wipe off with the microfiber towel. See what our headlight is looking like. And like we said, it should be a uniform look. All right, now we are back in action with the drill, well, at least for the meantime. Now we are going with a 3000 grit pad. So I think theoretically, this will probably give you a bit better result. Just because the amount of revolutions you can get will far outweigh what you can get by hand. All right, so now we're about to go to the polishing stage. So we got the power ball. Many of you may have seen something like this before. And that's from their power ball, where you clean your chrome or aluminum bits. Everybody, there you have it. This is the mother's side, and then you have the Meguiar side. So like I was saying, either one that you use, you're gonna come out on top. So now it is the next day since I did the head-to-head between Mother's and Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. So initially, last night when I actually did the vlog, I had went ahead and said that both products were pretty much the same. And as far as from a clarity perspective, I think they are. However, what I will say is that I am going to give the edge to the Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. And I do that because the Meguiar's kit actually came with a sealant. So you saw the sealant when I was rubbing it over the headlight, and what that does is that locks in the clarity and everything that you just achieved with the Meguiar's. And so the Mother's, it did not have anything like that, so I ended up putting some of the Meguiar's sealant on the Mother's headlight. And so for that fact alone, that they had something like that, I am going to give the edge to Meguiar's. Now you can't go wrong with either one, but because this was a head-to-head and I had to try to come up with a winner, I am going to give it to the Meguiar's. Everybody, thank you for coming to the channel. If you like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button and share it with some of your friends as well. And if you like the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And as always, everybody, remember, everybody deployed. About to head out to the Indians game. Go Tribe. Out.